How to build a server. A server is a type of computing storage that can provide computer systems for network and security services. It can be used to store and process data, run applications and provide network services. Building a server has become a requirement for many people. Let's take a look at how to set up a server. Determine the server type configuration. Select the appropriate server type according to your requirements, like a web server, a database server. If it is used for simple storage and sharing of files, the configuration requirements for the server are not too high. If it is used to run more powerful applications or provide network services, you need to choose a server with a higher configuration. Or select the operating system. Select the appropriate system according to your needs. Common server operating systems include Windows Server. It's a server operating system developed by Microsoft. It is suitable for servers in a Windows environment. Linux is an open source operating system. Some configuration server includes cybersecurity, etc. For example, server configuration includes network configuration, security configuration and application configuration, etc. Security configuration includes firewall, access control and encryption, etc. Application configuration includes web applications, FTP applications and mail applications, etc. 4. Install the necessary server software. Applications for services such as network and security. Common server software includes a web server, database server, etc. This software can be used to provide web services, FTP service, email service, etc. 5. Test server. Testing the server is the last step in setting up a server. Also, to ensure that the server is working properly, the tests include network testing, security testing and application testing, etc. Tracer testing and port testing, etc. Security testing includes vulnerability scanning, intrusion detection and log analysis, etc. Application testing, including web application testing and email app testing, etc.